Welcome back. In the earlier lecture, we looked at the step-by-step procedure to install Python and set up your environment. In this video, I want to discuss some commonly used options for Python development environment. There are three main things: text editors, IDE, and notebook. Let's start with the text editors. A text editor is a general editor for any text file, such as HTML file, Python scripts, JavaScript, etc. Some of the most popular options are Atom, Visual Studio Code, and Sublime Text. All of these have got a free version, so you can download them and start using them right away. These text editors are designed to work with various file types, and they were not explicitly designed for Python development. So if you are working on text editor, you have to sacrifice some of the Python specific functionalities. However, you can download and install plugins or add-ons to fill those gaps. The next category is the integrated development environment. And there are two popular IDEs for Python: PyCharm and Spyder. These IDEs are designed explicitly for Python, and you can get a community version free to use. They also come with another pro version that is paid and offers some additional features. However, the community version should work perfectly fine in most of the cases. Since they are especially designed for Python, they provide many functionalities to help you work efficiently with large Python projects. Finally, let us talk about the notebook environment. Notebooks are comparatively new in Python world, but they became excessively popular. These notebooks are an excellent tool for learners. The USP of the notebook environment is that you can type the code, run it line by line, and get to see the output right there. It also supports inline markdown notes and comments, which are nothing but a non-executable text. So you can write code, run it, document it with the output and your custom text. We will see all this happening in this course. The most popular notebook environment is the Jupyter Notebook. Great, that's all for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Keep learning and keep growing.